Data, in the simplest terms, means facts or information. Data can be anything: text, images, audio, video, and more. A database is essentially a collection of data, particularly data that is stored in a structured way, often electronically. Basically, a database is to data what a library is to books. Let me show you how. A library is a collection of books, just as database is a collection of data. A book is a single item in a library. In a database, its equivalent is an individual piece of information. A library stores and organizes books. Similarly, a database stores and organizes data. Without organization, finding a specific book in a library would be difficult. In the same way, without a proper database, finding specific data would be hard. So that's it for this video. I'm wrapping up here. Catch you in the next one.